Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video you will learn how to delete WhatsApp messages after 24 hours. So let's begin the video. Make sure that you are connected with your internet. The process is very simple and very easy. Simply open your WhatsApp app. So we will try any chat. So at the top corner there are three dotted lines. You will simply tap on three dotted lines. So here at the fifth option there is disappearing messages. You will simply tap on disappearing messages. So there is a timer message of message timer. You will simply tap on 24 hours. So you will simply go back. So here is the notification. You turned on disappearing messages. All new messages will disappear from this chat 24 hours after they are sent. So if you want to change your setting, you will simply off it and your message will not be deleted. So this is the process of deleting the messages after 24 hours. Thank you.